Wij zijn de Burnouts en ons eerste nummer vandaag gaat Bulls on Parade zijn.
Cut my life into pieces.
This is my last resort.
Suffocation, no breathing. Don't give a fuck if I cut my arm bleeding. Cut my life into pieces. I fix my last resort. Suffocation, no breathing. Don't give a fuck if I cut my arm bleeding. Do you even care if I die bleeding? Would it be wrong? Would it be right? If I took my life tonight, chances are that I might mutilation of the sight. And I'm contemplating suicide. Cause I'm losing my sight, losing my mind. When somebody would tell me I'm fine. Losing my sight, losing my mind. When somebody would tell me I'm fine. Cut my life into pieces. I reach my last resort, suffocation or breathing. Don't give a fuck if I cut my arm bleeding. Do you even suicide. Cause I'm losing my sight, losing my mind. When somebody would tell me I'm fine. Losing my sight, losing my mind. When somebody would tell me I'm fine. Nothing's alright, nothing is fine. I'm running and I'm crying. I'm crying, I'm crying, I'm crying, I'm crying. Cut my life into pieces. I feed my last resort to vocational breathing. Don't give a fuck if I'm coming on bleeding. Do you even care if I die bleeding? Would it be wrong? Would it be right? If I took my life tonight, chances are that I might. Mutilation out of sight, and I'm contemplating suicide. Cause I'm losing my sight, losing my mind. When somebody would tell me I'm fine. Losing my sight, losing my mind. When somebody would tell me I'm fine. Nothing's alright, nothing is fine. I'm running and I'm crying. I'm crying, I'm crying, I'm crying, I'm crying. The secret side of me, I never let you see. I keep it caged, but I can't control it. So stay away from me, the pieces of me. I feel the rage and I just can't hold it. It's scratching on the walls, in the closet, in the halls. And it comes awake and I can't control it. Hiding under the bed, in my body, in my head. Why won't somebody come and save me from this pain on end? I feel it deep within, it's just my deepest skin. I must confess that I feel like a monster. I hate what I've become, the nightmare's just begun. I must confess that I feel like a monster. I feel like a monster. I feel like a monster. My secret side I keep, hid under lock the key. And keep it caged, but I can't control it. 'Cause if I'm not around, how the love will break me down. Why won't somebody come and save me from this pain on end? I feel it deep within, it's just my deepest skin. I must confess that I feel like a monster. I hate what I've become, the nightmare's just begun. I must confess that I feel like a monster. I feel like a monster. I feel like a monster. I feel it deep within, it's just my deepest skin. I must confess that I feel like a monster. I hate what I've become, the nightmare's just begun. I must confess that I feel like a monster. I feel it deep within, it's just my deepest skin. I must confess that I feel like a monster. I'm gonna lose control, it's something radical. I must confess that I feel like a monster. I feel like a monster. I feel like a monster. that burn courses. Some of those that work forces are the same that burn courses. Killing in the name of. Killing in the name of. Now you do what they told you. And now they do what they told you. Now you do what they told you. Now you do what they told you. And now they 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 do what they told you. It's now they do what they told you. But now they do what they told you. Well, now they do what they told you. Those who died are justified for wearing the badge and the chosen whites. We justify those who died by wearing the badge and the chosen whites. Those who died are justified for wearing the badge and the chosen whites. Those who died are justified for wearing the badge and the chosen whites. Some of those that burn forces are the same that burn courses. Some of those that work forces are the same that burn courses. Some of those that work forces are the same that burn courses. Some of those that work forces are the same that burn courses.